Brazilian judge ordered Apple to pay $1,081 to a consumer for not giving charging adapter. Because the consumer purchased an iPhone without a charging cable, the court ruled that Apple must reimburse the customer's losses. Goiânia 6th Special Civil Court Judge Vanderlei Caires Pinheiro ordered on Monday that the IT business must pay the customer 5,000 Brazilia reais, $1,081, in damages. Additionally, Apple has to provide the user with a replacement charger. According to Caires Pinheiro, a tie-in sale is one in which a product of Apple's unique manufacturing must be purchased by the buyer in order to fulfill its intended function. Apple had 10 days to follow the judge's order. An additional $21.63 penalty will be levied each day until the issue is rectified. Prior to the introduction of the iPhone 12, Apple said that it will discontinue providing the adapter and headphones as part of its effort to reduce waste and emissions. That the phones come with a lightning cord that works with other phone accessory manufacturers' adapters. Caires Pinheiro, on the other hand, rejected Apple's position. For selling iPhones that did not come with chargers, a Consumer Protection Commission in São Paulo, Brazil, fined Apple $2.2 million in March. Ecologists praised Apple's decision, which has resulted in the company selling 190 million iPhones globally. Taking out chargers and earbuds, as well as slashing shipping costs, may result in a total of $6.5 billion in savings, with an extra projected $293 million in accessory sales.